Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to curve text in Picsart. Curving text in Picsart is a great way to add a unique design to your image. So here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Picsart application and then tap on the plus see all button at the top left corner from the main home page. Select the image you want to edit from your gallery or from the background option provided by Picsart. After importing an image from any sources, you will then be able to see the editing page. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the text option. In the text box, enter the desired text. Type in your text over here on the page and then click on the tick mark at the top right hand corner. After you are done entering the text and it is shown on the preview page, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the bend option and tap on it. Now drag the little white dot and you will then be able to curve your text. Go ahead and select the desired curving effect and then you can further customize your curved text by changing the font, color, size, etc. using the bottom menu options. Once you are happy with your curved text, tap on the apply button at the top right corner and follow through the instructions. Save your project on your device's camera roll or share it directly onto social media platforms according to your preference. So that's how you easily curve your text on Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.